Hey guys, welcome back to the vlog. So I wanted to pick up the camera and record what I have going on this weekend. We are staying home, just social distancing and staying safe. I have a lot of stuff to do around the house anyways, so I'm just gonna vlog some of it. Right now I am setting up my camera and this light for a photo shoot. I have a collaboration on Instagram, so I'm gonna be taking some pictures and I wanted to do it in the entryway, so I'm just setting up right now. I plan to redecorate this space as well, but it's going to be a separate video. I'm not going to show you guys any of that in this vlog. My daughter is watching Harry Potter, binging Harry Potter right now. Well, we're not going to binge it the entire day. I would sit here and watch it too. I mean, I've seen it like 1,000 times, but I have a lot of stuff to do. Let me take you guys out here because I want to come out here and clean the patio. I put up some curtains just to see if I wanted to do navy blue curtains, but I like it. I have the navy blue in the rug. What I want to do out here is clean this part of the screen. You see, it's like really nasty.
I'll tell you where to go. I don't need help. I'm helping. No, I don't need help. You're not facing it on mommy. It's tilted. I don't need help. I'm helping you.
Alright, can y'all not fight about holding the camera?
I'm your person to help. I can't move. I just saw something. I saw something flying.
Yeah, seriously? Alright guys, it's the next day. I just finished the patio. I didn't record the cleaning process, but I did finish it. I am in the kitchen right now. My husband is about to juice. We have this juicer from Amazon and he's gonna try it out. He loves to juice, but it is by Bagotte, I believe that's the name. It's a seller on Amazon, and it does come with this booklet of recipes. He is trying the fitness recipe because he's really into fitness, and they did send this over to me to test out, so my husband's gonna be doing that because he's the one that likes to juice. I don't really do it. I need to start because it was actually really good. I did taste his juice and it was really good, and our old juicer is just like, it didn't work too well. So yeah, he has everything set up, all of his ingredients, and he's gonna go ahead and juice. He likes to take this to work as well, so that's what he's doing right now, so he can take it to work with him. It's really easy to set up. All you do is just put the parts together. You do want to wash the cups and just like anything your ingredients is going to come in contact with, you do want to wash that first. Well, just wash it all. That's what I did. I washed everything and then I set it up, and he's just doing his thing. Looks like it's gonna taste good.
And there you go. Voila.
Voila. But yeah, this is a really good. You have the 2 speeds. You also get this brush to like help you clean the inside, but I decided to just go ahead and put this bag back here. My husband recommended I put a bag back there so that you can just take it out and dump it. But yeah, let me show you how to take it apart. So you just pull that down and you just start taking everything out. So if you want to get your hands on this, guys, definitely check the description box for it. This top also comes with the container, so if you want to, you know, juice it with the top on, you can, like that. And you could just like put it in a fridge if you want to just store it in the container. And I am done with the frame. I had to stop yesterday and tend to other things, but I just came out here and finished up, and it's so clean now. I mean, I know it's gonna get dirty again, but it was like nasty. It looked like it hadn't been cleaned in years, so I just went ahead and tackled it, and now I can just maintain it. You know, if I see it getting dirty, I'll just come out here and wipe it up, but it looks so much better and it's nice and clean. We're gonna watch Harry Potter. We are on number 5.
Using that operating room space possibly as extra ICU beds and using the ventilators in those operating rooms. This is what we have to be thinking about because
5, right?
As several of your guests have said,
Or no, 6.
We're already behind the curve a bit. All of a sudden,
Yes, they have blood prints.
Is there a 7?
Yes. Alright guys, so it's been a few days and this is what we have going on in the house. I know, pretty shocking to see, right? What did I just do to the living room? Well, gotta keep the kids busy and entertained. So I went ahead and made them like this tunnel. Well, what is it? A cave? Okay, so they're using it as a cave, but yesterday it was a tunnel because I had it going all the way into the bedroom. So this was a castle, and my son's room was a castle. So they had a tunnel going from one castle to the next, and it was fun. I was under there trying to go through it, but it was such a struggle. But it was fun. If you follow me on Instagram, then you've already seen the struggle. We ran 2 miles, so I was in pain. My legs were like not having it. This reminds me of my childhood. I used to do stuff like this and just like build tents with sheets and just have fun, play with my toys and stuff. And now, you know, I want them to experience the fun too, and they're loving it. I asked them if they were done with it this morning. They're like, no. They don't want me to take it down. So I'm probably just going to leave this up for a few days. They're having fun, and that's all that matters. The house is kind of messy. The bedroom is really messy. I need to strip the bed and wash the sheets. That's why I did not make the bed. I'm still working on the makeover for that space. I don't have a bed, as you can see. I don't have like the headboard or anything. So many really nice options, and I just cannot make up my mind. So I just need to figure it out, you know, figure out which one I'm gonna get, because I don't want to get something that I'm gonna love for like a minute and then fall out of love with it. That's what happened with the last bed that I purchased, and I don't want that to happen again. So yeah, the house is a mess, a hot mess. The kitchen needs to be you know, cleaned up. We have just a bunch of random stuff. The kids were eating their lunch, and yeah, in the dining room they have toys out here. And I just changed the lights. That's why I have that chair right there. The bench that goes in here is over here. I mean, I had to use some pieces to create this cave for them. So I have the bench holding the sheet. Then I have some of my ottomans here, and just toys and baskets and stuff. But yep, this is what life is like for us right now. Just home is quite messy. I do need to start cleaning some areas. I'll tackle the kitchen. I guess I can tackle the kitchen because it's not like that's a play area. So my curtains just came in the mail. So happy about that, because I really wanted to make sure I picked the right ones before returning the one I have hanging right here. These are the new curtains that just came in the mail. This one is the old one. It looks exactly the same. I mean, the name at the top is different, but it's the same. The picture is the same. Like everything else is the same. So, you know, hopefully it's the same shade of navy blue. But yeah, I'm really excited. It took me days to find these curtains. Days. Because I could not find any that looked, you know, like it was the same shade of navy blue. But then I came across this one. So I'm going to hang it. I'm going to hang it and see. And this is what I have going on with the arrangement. I'm gonna change this. I don't like it at all. I was gonna just make the table the focal point of the space and just have this more of a dining space, but I really want this to be more of a living space. Like I want seating out here, and I want to be able to come out here and lounge, not only come out here and just eat, because I can get 2 more chairs and put it around this table, but we don't need more chairs. What we need is like a sofa, so we can all come out here and sit on it and like watch movies and stuff, because I do have a projector and a like projector screen, so we can put that up when we want to come out here and watch movies. And if not, we can, I like to come out here and just relax and just look at this view is great. So I do need my sofa to be on this wall. I think it'll look better. That way I could just sit and enjoy the view. And yeah, I'll figure it out. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and hang up these rods. I got these from Ross, these tension rods, and I'm using those because I don't want to put holes in any of this siding, because we are renting this house out and I'm not going to be paying for any damages with putting holes in their siding. So I'm just using these rods, no damage, you know, it's fine. You know what, even if this was my house, I probably wouldn't put holes in this siding. Like if it was wood, yeah, because you can easily repair wood, but this is like vinyl or something. I think that's what this material is for this siding, and you can't just easily repair that. I mean, you probably could, but I just don't think it'll look right because I would have to find some paint to match the color of the siding, and that'll be too much. It's just easier to just use these tension rods and call it a day. So yeah, let me go ahead and do that. Alright, so I put up the curtains and they are exactly the same. I know it's dark, you really cannot see, but yeah, you can see the colors exactly the same. So happy about that. Oh my goodness, I am so happy because I was so tired of searching. But yeah, I need to put up one. I need to add another one to both actually, because when you close them, they don't close. They're not wide enough, pretty much. So you can still like see the neighbors, and like this over there, that's a bedroom. And at night when we have like the lights on inside of the house, you can see right inside, even with that like decorative film that the owners put on the window. It doesn't block, you know, anything. You can still clearly see right inside of the room. I'm gonna save the rest of the footage for the patio makeover. I'm not gonna keep recording out here because I keep doing that, coming out here showing you guys the new stuff that I add to the space, but I really want to do a dedicated patio makeover. I guess I can work on the kitchen. guys, I am done for tonight. I am so tired. I just want to go to bed, but I need to come back and put the dishes away. I'll deal with that in the morning. I also need to scrub the stove because you know, all of this stuff is stuck on there. I just don't feel like doing it tonight. It is almost midnight. I need to get my butt in the bed because I am so tired. I didn't do anything in the living room, so I will deal with that tomorrow. I'm not gonna mess with this area because the kids are still playing with it. I hope you guys enjoyed watching. Thumbs up if you did, subscribe if you're not already subscribed, and I will see you in the next one. Bye guys.